For my subtraction method, I'm doing the trade first, simply because I find this method the most intriguing. It's a lot easier to do it this way for me because I hated math because of the start of big number subtraction, because I did not understand why we are adding and taking away things, and I didn't understand place value. If I was a teacher and I was teaching this to beginner math students for larger numbers, I would do the trade first method, because for me that would make the most sense in this given situation. So with that being said, emphasize on place value is important, because if we don't know this is the ones, tens, and hundreds, everything will get messed up. And this is simply why I feel this way, because teachers do not emphasize enough on the ones, tens, hundreds place in the beginning. So the higher the grade, you learn more about place value, and it gets harder. So if they do not know the three most basic, they're not going to understand the add and take away of the whole situation and why it's important. So if you have 5 items and you need to give away 7, you can't do that because you don't have enough. We need to go to our tens place and take away something of his. So we're going to cross him out. He is a new number. Our tens place is now a 5. We're also going to cross out our ones. He did not lose anything. So the 5 stays the same. We're just going to use the item we took away from our tens place and add it to our ones. So now our new number is 15. Now when we jump over to the tens place, if you need to give away 9 items, you cannot give away the 9 items because you do not have enough items to give away. So we have to go to our hundreds place and take away one of her items, which makes sense if we know our place value. Our 5 does not change because we didn't lose anything. So we're going to take the item we took away from our 3, from her, and we're going to give it to him and make him a 15 now. Now that we have everything on our top rack of numbers situated, everybody can give away something. We're going to now subtract with our new numbers. 15 minus 7 is 8. 15 minus 9 is 6. And 3 minus 2 is 1. So our sum for this subtraction problem is 168. I prefer this method because it makes the most sense. If we're talking place value wise, we always start from the ones and work our way to the hundreds. But if you're doing it individually, say we were doing, we're borrowing from our tens place, but we're not crossing anything off, and you come over here, you make this a 15, that would confuse a younger student, and I feel like if we're taking everything away first and giving it a completely new rack of numbers for our top ones, it would make the most sense to do it all at the same time to get us this.